Myrtle Sarosa says Jillian Ward looks like her favorite mobile game character, ang angelic ng face niya. Jillian Ward hopes to unlock her cosplay era, especially now that she works with Myrtle Sarosa, one of the country's most popular cosplayers. The latter recently joined the star-studded cast of My Ilonggo Girl, where she plays the kontrabida named Venice. In a quick chat with 24 na oras, Jillian mentioned she has not yet asked Myrtle about a possible cosplay collaboration. Nahihiya pa po ako magbanggit kasi ako po wala pa akong real experience, she said. Siya po talaga sobrang professional na po siya dun. So, dadahan-dahanin ko po, paturo naman ako. The star of the new gen added, dati po kasi nakikita ko na po siya sa feed ko na nagko-cosplay po siya, ako po gusto ko rin ay try mag-cosplay one day. So, malay niyo po kahit after ng show makapag-collaborate pa po kami. In a separate interview, Myrtle said Jillian would be perfect to transform into Angela, one of her favorite characters in the Mobile Legends game. She explained, sabi ko si Angela ng ML Mobile Legends. Kasi, favorite character ko yun sa Mobile Legends. So, when I look at her, sabi ko hala. Ang angelic ng face niya parang talagang si Angela. Don't miss Jilliana and Myrtle's banggaan moments in the high-rating GMA Prime miniseries My Ilonggo Girl, Monday to Thursday at 9:35 p.m.